Hello, today I'm going to show you how to fix the "This operating system is not supported" error on Windows 11. This error usually appears when you try to install software or drivers that aren't fully compatible with Windows 11. Don't worry, with a few tweaks and workarounds, you can often get the program running without issues. Let's get started. Open the Start menu, type Settings, and open it. Click Update and Security. Select Windows Update on the left panel. Click Check for updates. Wait for Windows to scan for available updates. If updates are found, click Download and Install. When done, restart your PC to apply the new updates. This helps fix software conflicts and OS compatibility issues. That's it. Now you know how to fix the "This operating system is not supported" error on Windows 10 and Windows 11. Good luck. See you in the next tutorial.